calling tomorrow's superheroes. Alta Loma Christian School is building superheroes to build a better world. Hi, I'm Dr. Vance Nichols, head of school at ALCS. As an award-winning faith-based STEM school, we're teaching our students to live out their purpose as beloved images of God and to discover their God-given gifts, talents, and abilities, their superpower. Our school has been honored as a Best of the Best private school for 7 years in a row and one of the region's most innovative schools. And we believe the future is bright because our students, the superheroes of tomorrow, are creating it. We invite you to meet our superheroes and those that lead and teach them at Open House on Thursday, February 23rd at 6:30 p.m. and explore how tomorrow's superheroes, our remarkable children, are discovering their finest future today. You know, the Bible is full of heroes, men and women and boys and girls, who placed their faith in God and allowed Him to do supernatural things through them to bless those in need. We believe we're being used by God today to build the superheroes of tomorrow. So come be our guest at Open House on February 23rd, starting at 6:30 p.m. in the chapel. New families who mention any of our school's ads will receive a $100 discount off registration, which begins the night of Open House for families who attend in person. I'm Dr. Vance Nichols, and I look forward to seeing you and our superheroes at Open House. Blessings to you, and see you then.